Good evening, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to learn how we could create or how we could use the radial blur effect in Photoshop to create this zoom effect in the background. So it's a simple process. Just grab a picture that has a pretty in focus background with the subject in the foreground. So let's unhide these. Oops. So this is what the original image looks like, and then this is what it looks like afterwards. So let's see how we can do this. I already created a new document with the image already loaded. So your first step is to duplicate your image layer. So you can do that one of two ways. Right click on the layer in the layers panel and select duplicate layer, or you could use the shortcut key on a PC, which is Control J. Now what we want to do is we want to use the quick mask mode in this situation. So we have this top layer selected. We come over here to the toolbar on the left and select edit in quick mask mode. So select that. And then what we want to do is then select your brush tool and select a soft round brush, and then the size will adjust in a little bit, but have the opacity and the flow to 100%. And then all you want to do is you want to mask the subject that you want to have in focus basically. And then what you don't mask is the area that's going to be out of focus, where we're going to create the radial mask or zoom effect of. So all you do is then make sure you have the foreground, background, black and white, and just start painting over your subject. And you don't have to be too detailed on this. Give me a second while we do this. Okay. Now when you select and deselect it, watch what happens. So it's deselected, so you can see what area of the subject that you created. And then you go back and you can make fine adjustments if you want, but now your next step is to deselect the quick mask mode, and then you have this left over, which is it's almost like the inverse of what you selected using a paintbrush tool. Now what you want to do is you want to go up to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur, and then the amount that I'm using is 25. You want to have the zoom effect in the blur method, and then the quality you want best. So click OK, and there you have it. And that's how you create this create this blur effect to create like a zoom effect in your background using Photoshop. Hopefully today gave you some great new techniques to use in your current or future projects, and it taught you something about the quick mask mode and the radial blur within Photoshop. Thanks for stopping by today and support my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and then also click on that bell notification so whenever I have a new video ready to be viewed, you'll be notified. And also please like, share, and comment. Again, I appreciate you, appreciate your time, and you have a great day. Bye now.